In this video, you'll learn how to set up timesheet projects in categories, then assign a project to a specific IP address so it automatically appears as a default project when employees clock in from that location. First, let's start with creating the project in the category. Select Setup underneath Management, and then select Time Clock. From here, select Projects. To add a project, click the Add button in the top right corner. First thing you'll do is name the project. You can name the project anything you would like. Common use cases are location names in case you have multiple locations and want to track employees clocking in at each location, or using things like clinical versus non-clinical. Other common use cases are tracking meeting rates or Saturday pay. Once you have created a specific project, you can then add a category to a project. So in this example, we have location A, and our first category will be clinical. Then we can add an additional category at location A for non-clinical. If you need to add an additional timesheet project, so for example, location B, you can do so. When adding projects, sometimes you may want to add a specific custom rate. So for example, maybe for Saturdays, employees make 1.5 times their rate. And lastly, you can assign employees to specific projects. If not, it will default to all personnel. Next, we'll go over how to assign a project to a specific IP address. So once your projects are created, you can then go to Locations. Here is going to be a list of all of your authorized IP addresses. Next to the IP address, click the Edit icon, select the project from the dropdown, and click Submit. Should you have any questions on setting up timesheet projects, please feel free to reach out to our team. Thank you.